How to delete Facebook account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Vipin Besnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can delete your Facebook account. Now the process itself is quite simple and easy. After the latest update, the process is a bit changed, so let me guide it through. First things first, you want to open up your Facebook, tap on the three horizontal line icon at the top right corner, and then tap on the settings or the gear icon just below it. Once on the settings and privacy, you want to tap on the account center option, and there now you'll get varieties of option. Here you want to head into the option that says personal details. You'll get it under account settings, and there now you can see account ownership and control. Tap on it and then tap on deactivation or deletion. Now here it'll ask you to select an account. If you have multiple accounts linked, you want to select a particular Facebook account that you wish to delete, and then you can see deactivate account or delete account option. You want to simply make sure that your blue check mark or the blue dot is on the delete account option. You want to simply tap on the delete account option and make sure the blue tick mark is there, and then tap on continue, and it'll ask you for password, and once you do so, once you enter in your password, your account will be deleted. So this way you can delete your Facebook account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.